Hello and welcome to yet another show of Quest, where the student speaks, and as a faculty, I get a chance to ask them questions and listen. We have with us Aditya Bandari, who is one of the toppers in Microsoft Excel Associate, and being an engineering student, he took a step one towards the leadership by learning the skill of Excel and implementing it to his day-to-day life. Welcome, Aditya, to our show.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, Aditya, before we start our interview, can you please give a brief intro about yourself?
Hello everyone. My name is Aditya Bandari, and I am from Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University. I'm right now in the second year, and I'm doing computer engineering. Yeah.
Right. So, Aditya, first question: as a student into the computer science engineering, what prompted you to take up Excel?
In the computer engineering, as we all know, data science is an ever-growing demand. For data science, we all need some documents, some data, and we need to process that data. And for that, Excel is the best tool. And with Excel, it helped me a lot to process that data, like huge data. I used to get almost like lots of data. I used to process that with a single Excel formulas. So that helped me a lot.
Right. So, can you tell us how you are implementing now Excel when you say that you are playing with a lot of data? Can you give us a little bit intro about that?
Right now I'm doing some internships. In that company, I have to deal with lots of data, like collection of forms, student
Okay.
data, then the company data, then their marketing, then their pricing strategies. So we need to process that all data into like marketing form or like give it to company in the proper way.
Right.
That why we need that Excel formulas to deal with that.
Okay, okay, great, great. So, getting a little bit into the Microsoft training, tell me one, area which you felt that this is what you want to master. Say it is formulas or charting or pivot table, something that you felt that this is ignited a spark in you.
In the training, the tables are the most important thing because when we get the data, we can't transform it like selecting a proper number of cells. That becomes a lot of hectic thing. But when
Right,
it comes to tables, we can directly select some options and all the data gets processed automatically.
right,
You don't need to select a proper number of cell and process it, and that goes like very orthodox method is that. So
right.
table is like most important thing for me.
Right. So, little bit on insights about the Microsoft Associate exam. So, can you tell us, was it really a difficult exam? And second question is really a coaching necessary for Excel, not just exam?
Okay. Regarding the exam was not that difficult. It was quite a lot of easy exam. Just
Right.
some formulas you have to be well prepared of. And coaching is necessary. Like many of my friends and my relatives used to make fun of me why you need to join coaching for that Excel thing. You will learn that at home. I was like, no. You just sit with me once 1 hour. I'll let you know whole the thing about Excel that you also don't know. Like
Right.
the same scenario happened. There's a local company near me, and I was just going for some work there. When I got in that office, there were around 5 to 6 people working with Excel. They were
Okay.
using way more than orthodox method. They were using a number of they were selecting cells, they were then dragging it, then they're copy pasting it, and for even to convert it the PDF into Excel, they were using a lot of different tools, and they were like exactly they were like copy pasting thing, like selecting one single cell, then copy paste it, selecting second single cell, then copy. I almost sat there for 1 or 2 hours and made them hold the thing cleared by themselves. Like this is so much easy. You're doing a lot of hard work to do that. So like coaching is necessary. It make your base clear and it helps you for that thing, like to how to actually deal with that sheets and how to actually deal with the data.
Excellent. Excellent. So proud to hear when the students implement in real life the whatever skills we pick up, including Excel. So, um, what was the feeling, Aditya, when you saw 93.5% when you cleared the exam?
I was still hoping to get more. So
Yeah.
93.5 was a big achievement for me. Like I was not expecting that lot of marks, but after getting into the exam, I was like, oh yeah, I can get just few formulas here and there, and I was 93.
Right, awesome. So, any word about the journey throughout the pandemic where everyone has been struggling, but somehow the Microsoft through Certiport could conduct the exams from our house itself. So, about Shubham Sharma, who was chasing each one of you during the pandemic and helping you guys. So, anything about him that you want to share?
He's a great instructor. We can say that. His
Right.
mock test helped us a lot because the questions he gave in the mock test that were exactly the questions we got in the exam. So all the mock test, all the instruction given by you, given by Shubham sir were really helpful. That just small number of practice made us achieve this big score.
So, any last thoughts about many students of your age who are very young who will always be confused, especially whether they are engineering or commerce or law students. There's so much of free, information available on YouTube, various sources, but people really don't know how to use it. What is your line of advice for them?
So you need to narrow down your search result. First of all, what exactly want you to do. So first,
Right.
narrow down your search result. Get into what you do. Get a path for it. And if you got the path, your way is more like your way is in front of you. And for regarding the Excel thing, I just want to give an advice to everyone that you should definitely go for Excel. It's a must in today's world. If
Right.
you are in any field, almost every field use Excel, and you need to get process with that data. Let it be any field. So please go for that Excel thing and learn it properly.
Excellent, excellent. So I totally agree with what you said. Is every student, whether they're whichever domain, especially the engineering, they should have a clarity of thought process. I know it is not said and done very easy. Very few people really have that kind of mindset. But if you can get it earlier, at least find someone who can mentor you as quickly as possible and pick a line of thought process. And second thing on the skill set, what you said is true. That Excel we cannot escape even if you're playing with big data, as you are rightly saying, the cleaning of data has to be through Excel. Even if you are using Tableau or SAP or any kind of platform, whether it is from stock markets or any kind of actually software, it doesn't matter. It comes in CSV. We need data to be cleaning up using Excel. So it saves a lot of time and energy, and you are right on the bullseye with that thought process. So congratulations, Aditya being one of the toppers in Microsoft Associate. Certification is a bonus, but picking up the skill is amazing, and you stand as a role model to many youngsters from the engineering domain. So all the best for all your future endeavors, and more power to you.
Thank you so much, sir.